Hi folks, welcome to another Scientific Weekly. Today we are going to talk about robotic exoskeletons that prevent elderly from falling. So the source for this is researchgate.net and the article is from the 11th of May 2017. So it's no secret that we as human beings are getting older and older and older as our medicine improves and we are able to live far longer than that. But the downside to it is our bodies are not able to keep up to the pace. We get older, our skeletons get more fragile, we are more likely to break something or to get hurt when we fall. For example, in the United States of America, a quarter of the fatal injuries there is from elderlies from 65 and above is from falling. That's 25%. That's quite a big amount. So this is not the only one. There are more research groups, companies, research projects that are looking into robotic exoskeletons like here, that's shown here. This is a prototype in a rehab center in Florence, Italy. So the group we are specifically talking about right now is being funded by the European Cyberleg Plus Plus project, and they are focusing to do in the next 3 years of testing. They are going to see how viable it is, how good it works, how much they can improve with multiple groups, and after those 3 years they look, alright, we have this data, we can conclude this of it, and now we can look if we can make it viable as a product for elderly in general, or for people that have trouble walking, or only when people are paralyzed with a single leg, for example. Then they are going to look into that, and it might be on the market within 10 years. It seems like a long time, but for a project like this, it's not bad actually. It's reasonable. It's very reasonable to have things like you see on the screen right now for sale within 10 years. Might be possible. So the participants that are joining the project find it kind of strange. I can't deny that, because look at it, you can see the rotors and mechanisms outside. It's really just a prototype to see, does it work, how does it work, how can we improve it, where can we improve it, what has to be done to make it good. But yeah, so it works really well already. The source will be down below as always, and the current prototype is for people from 1.7 meter tall to 1.7 meter tall roughly. I was mistaken because this is from an interview with the person. He's 1.9 meters tall, so it doesn't fit him. But let's see, within the future, if this project takes off properly, then it might help people with rehab to get walking again because they have been in some sort of accident. Let's say a soldier that has nearly lost a leg, had to recover, couldn't walk for 2-3 years, has to learn walking again. A device like this will be much easier to help with. Elderly will fall less often if it's viable for them. That will be a huge burden less. But also disabled people might be able to walk with this because it supports you, it keeps you up, and it gives you the ability to walk. But there is one major thing that you see in quite some sci-fi movies, and that's an exoskeleton that allows people to carry shit like a car and just grab it with a hand, throw it away. Not exactly like that, but allowing people to carry more without feeling the burden it is possible with such a suit if done well. There are very much possibilities. Like the ones that I named are a few of it, and it just keeps rolling in my head, all the possibilities, other ideas, all this stuff. It just keeps rolling. What will we see within 10 years? Anyway, that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if you think this will be viable someday, or if we see it soon. Subscribe if you didn't do that, and watch another video, and thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time again.